Hi guys, it's Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you, golden black preset in the form of mobile Lightroom DNG, as well as the camera preset for your Photoshop, as well as the desktop Lightroom preset in .lr template extension. Now the very first thing you need to do is just copy that DNG preset file to your smartphone or SD card. Now just click on the plus button of the Lightroom application, just click on the three dots and unselect the JPG, only select the raw files. Raw files are the preset file which are present in your SD card, right? So this is the golden black preset. Now just click on the add button so it will be added to all photos. So just wait for the moment to be that preset to be added. So here is the preset which is added. Now all you need to do is just click on the three dots on the right screen, top right screen. Now just copy the settings. Now just hit OK. Now go back and let's apply it to some other photos. Let's just try it on this. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. Perfect goldish black effect is seen in the photo. This is really a dope preset, guys. If you want to create an amazing portrait, then this would be a pretty perfect option for your photo. Let's just try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. Get totally perfect black and kind of goldish effect, which is really making your photo or the portrait an amazing look. Let's try it on this. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. Here's the before and here is the after. It is really an amazing preset, guys. So you should use this in your photo editing game and just turn it to a kind of next level. So you can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. Perfect gold effect photo, right? Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings. Wow guys, this one is a dope preset. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you want to know how to install the preset in your desktop Lightroom, as well as how to install camera preset to your smart Photoshop, then just see my other videos, or just visit my article or the website. Then you can just see how to I have already mentioned step by step how to install the preset in desktop Lightroom, as well as in a camera preset in Photoshop. So you can just do it and learn by yourself, right? So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new premium collection of mobile Lightroom preset, desktop Lightroom, camera preset, and lots and many more cool stuff of photography just for free. And also guys, don't forget to visit my second website, that is filterpreset.com. From there you can download premium collection of preset which you can't find on ashvircreations. That everything would be available on that website. So stay tuned on that website also, and don't forget to guys follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.